These are refugees, children and mothers who have just been received here at Bidi Bidi, coming from the southern Sudan, running away from the conflict there. Most of them, as you would see, are children and then mothers. They come with their luggage, and these people want and need water urgently. They need sanitation facilities, and that's why Water Mission Uganda team, engineering especially, are here to respond to this influx of refugees. All these buses have brought refugees, and this is on a daily basis. So close to 5,000 refugees report at this center every day, and they have been ferried to other settlement centers within about 2-3 kilometers. And over there, some settlements have 10,000 to 20,000 people, and they need water, safe water access as much as